Imagine walking through a garden that could kill you. Not in a horror movie, not in a fairy tale. Right now, in neighborhoods, parks, and backyards across the world, plants exist that carry enough poison to stop your heart, dissolve your organs, or steal your mind entirely. And most people walk past them every single day without a second thought. Tonight, we're stepping into the Nightshade garden. The Solanaceae family, commonly called the Nightshade family, is one of the most paradoxical plant groups on Earth. It gives us tomatoes, potatoes, and peppers. It also gives us some of nature's most sophisticated killers. The difference between food and poison here is often just chemistry and quantity. Let's start with Belladonna. Atropa belladonna. Even the name carries danger. Atropa is named after Atropos, the Greek fate responsible for cutting the thread of human life. Belladonna translates to beautiful woman because Italian women once used its extracted juice to dilate their pupils, creating an appearance considered alluring at the time. The same compound, atropine, in larger doses, causes hallucinations, violent agitation, and cardiac arrest. Renaissance-era poisoners reportedly used it in wine. Physicians still use controlled derivatives today in surgery. Then there is Datura, sometimes called devil's trumpet or moonflower. This plant blooms at night, releasing a hauntingly sweet fragrance that draws moths and unwary humans alike. Every single part of Datura is toxic, the seeds especially. Datura contains tropane alkaloids that completely disrupt the nervous system. People who have accidentally ingested it describe hours or days of terrifying, vivid hallucinations indistinguishable from reality. Some never fully return. Medical literature documents numerous fatalities, and yet this plant grows wild across roadsides on multiple continents. Henbane deserves mention here. Ancient witches allegedly burned its seeds to induce visions. Medieval physicians used it as an anesthetic, threading a careful line between sedation and death. The plant smells foul, looks unassuming, and kills quietly. But perhaps the most misunderstood member of this dark garden is the common black nightshade. Growing in gardens, along fences, in disturbed soil everywhere. The unripe berries are genuinely dangerous. The ripe berries exist in a strange gray zone where toxicity levels vary between plants, between seasons, between individual specimens. Folk traditions in some regions treat certain preparations as food. Scientists still debate the specifics. What makes the nightshade family so fascinating and so terrifying is its intelligence. These plants evolved their chemical defenses over millions of years specifically to deter consumption. They did not evolve to help humans. We simply learned to work around them, sometimes successfully, sometimes catastrophically. The garden at night looks different. Shadows collect between leaves. White flowers glow faintly in moonlight. That sweet fragrance drifts across your skin. Everything about these plants is designed to attract. And here is the thought that should stay with you after this video ends. Poison and medicine are not opposites. They are the same substance standing at different distances. The Nightshade Garden does not judge your intentions. It simply delivers its chemistry. The flowers whisper. Most people never hear them. Pay attention next time you walk past something beautiful.